You checked your credit score and it dropped 30 points for no reason. You didn't miss any payments or open new accounts recently, but somehow your score just tanked and you don't know why. This happens to millions of Americans every single month without warning. One day your score is fine, and the next it's significantly lower. You start panicking because you need to apply for a loan soon, and now you're worried lenders will reject you or charge higher interest rates. Credit scores don't just drop because you made an obvious mistake. There are hidden factors that most people don't even know exist. Your credit utilization ratio might have changed without you realizing it. Even paying off a loan completely can temporarily lower your score, and errors on your credit report happen more often than you think. First, check your credit utilization, which is your balance divided by limit. If you spent more than usual, your utilization percentage went up. Keeping it below 30% is critical for maintaining good scores. Pay down your balances before the statement closing date, not the due date. Next, pull your free credit reports from all 3 major bureaus. Look carefully for accounts you didn't open or incorrect payment histories. Dispute any errors directly with the credit bureau, in writing, immediately. Check if any old accounts were recently closed by the lender. Closed accounts reduce your total available credit and hurt utilization instantly. Avoid closing your oldest credit cards, even if you don't use them. Your credit age accounts for 15% of your total score. Many people think checking their own score will lower it further. That's completely false, because soft inquiries don't affect your score at all. Another myth is that paying off collections will immediately boost your score. Credit scores fluctuate naturally, and small drops aren't always cause for panic. Focus on keeping utilization low, disputing errors, and maintaining payment history consistently. Most drops recover within 1 to 3 months with proper habits. Start by checking your credit report today so you know exactly what's happening.